Say hi, Vampirina.
Hi.
Who are you?
Vampirina.
Yes, and today we are going to show you how to make. Actually, we're not going to show you how to make it. We're just going to tell you how we made it. This Vampirina
We made it with cardboard and then we painted
ukulele, and it actually works.
like the string.
Wait, we have to let them listen.
You like the sound? And I'm Vampirina today, and that's what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
I'm going to try to play it.
Yeah.
A little bit. You put your hand over here. All right, so here's how you do this. We cut this shape out of piece of paper and then cut it on a piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
And then,
Are you okay, Nana?
yeah, I'm okay. And then we cut this shape right here and stack them high up like 4. Okay. And then cut this shape all out of cardboard and hot glued them together. And then I put little dowels right here, pushed in with a hole and hot glued in there so they're really sturdy. They have to be really sturdy because they're holding the strings.
Yeah.
I just made this for her as part of her Halloween costume, and then I decided, why not try to make it?
Now we can do this as long as Vampirina sings.
Why not try to make it work, right?
Yeah.
So, which I'm really amazed that it actually works.
Well, yeah.
You know, it's not the best thing in the world, but let's see if I can play any tunes. All right, here's some sounds it makes. I can't really do it because she's on my lap, but trust me, it works.
Can I get Vampirina ears on?
Oh yeah, we made these too. Headband, fabric, cardboard, sparkles.
And
So,
even we made this.
and made this dress too. So if you want to be Vampirina or you want to make this guitar, actually it's a ukulele.
Yeah, the ukulele.
You know, I don't know the difference.
Goodbye.
There you go. There you go. And that's it. Bye.
Bye. I'm ukulele's jogging. Bye. Of the mystery. Mystery.
Stop.